Total Wireless and Boost Mobile both use Verizon's network, providing nearly identical 5G and LTE coverage nationwide. This includes 99% 5G coverage across the US. Expect speeds of 100 to 500 megabits on 5G and 50 to 100 megabits on LTE. While coverage is similar, Boost Mobile plans may experience less data deprioritization during peak hours compared to Total Wireless, particularly after Total Wireless users have consumed 22 gigabytes of data. Actual speeds vary by location and network congestion. Check carrier websites for coverage maps. In urban tests, speeds are often identical, while rural areas may see LTE-only coverage with lower speeds. Both carriers offer prepaid, no-contract plans with competitive pricing. Boost Mobile stands out with entertainment perks, including potential free access to Hulu, Spotify, Netflix, and Disney+. Total Wireless emphasizes family-friendly features such as shared data pools and parental controls. All plans include taxes and fees, with autopay discounts available. Boost Mobile offers unlimited high-speed data, while Total Wireless may throttle speeds after a data threshold. In 2025, Total Wireless launched a Family Boost promotion. Boost Mobile revamped its autopay perks, including free streaming credits for services like Netflix and Disney+. Here's a comparison table summarizing the plan perks and value. Consider your entertainment needs, family requirements, and data usage patterns when choosing. Pricing is competitive, but factor in perks and data policies to determine the best value.